Welcome to Texas, my place for last 2-3 days, and I've been welcomed like anything for last 3 days, and I believe that this visit was overdue. For last 20 years, I have been traveling, and I come twice to Texas, but this particular trip is very unique, very different, and very important. The whole country has been invited, USA, Canada, and I can see the Indian flag also, and we all are there in the Indian flag. We all are there in that. All Gayatri Parivar members are in that. It's a unique blend of experience for me that I have been talking to the youngsters, the youth of tomorrow, 18 to 35 year age group, and they have been with me since last 2.5 days. And it is a unique opportunity to listen to them, to learn from them, to share your experience with them, to shower love on them and to get love from them. It is something very unique, and I really enjoyed each and every moment of mine. I'm sorry for today in the afternoon when I just fell down on my bed, and I fell down like anything. So I had a very immense relaxation, and after that relaxation I'm ready for next inning, that is Houston camp from tomorrow morning. So this is Texas camp of the Holy. I sincerely applaud the efforts done by the youngsters of these 4 states of this South. For example, Ketan and Garima. For example, Bharat and Sangeeta. For example, Jayant Bhai Desai and Hema Ben. Although she is not here, she is in Houston. But is she here today? No. She because she has been in the hospital for a long period. But without Hema Ben, Jayant Bhai doesn't exist. Without Jayant Bhai, Hema Ben doesn't exist. So I think both of them. And then the various other people who have devoted their energy and time. Nepali has been just like Rajkumar is my right hand, so Nepali is my left hand. So both of them have helped me like anything. I think because of these people, this camp has been success, and it will be a success in last 4 days when we will be meeting and we will be departing in the meeting. The Parag and Mahesh Patel, Parag Mahale and Mahesh Patel, they are the gem of the 2 persons. These are the persons who are untiringly working hard, running from here to there. I may have forgotten many names who are there in the background. As our Mahesh Bhai Kapadia and Mamta Ben Kapadia, all have put up their lot of efforts, lots of them. Then with Nepali, when I remember one of my most loving disciple, Pragna Ben and Himanshu Bhai, I think these are the 2 persons behind all those efforts. They are from New York, but they have been with me. I assure you that we will try to give our 200% in next 4 days. We will try to give our whatever we have learned from Gurudev. Myself, Kali Charan ji, Dr. O.P. Sharma ji, Vishwa Prakash ji, Onkar ji, Rajkumar ji and Pushkar. These 6 persons will be the real representative of the Gurudev and Mataji. A lot has been told about me by Jayant Bhai. I had first interaction with Jayant Bhai in 1992 in Toronto, Ashwamedh Yajna, and I know his dedication. He has been inviting me to Louisiana since 2004-2005, but I have not been able to make it. Ultimately, I made it before he contemplates to visit Canada from USA. I hope that he will be satisfied fully that I have made it. And this particular visit of ours is practically to give you certain teachings of Gurudev to his own part and parcels, apne ang avyayon ko, to give love and affection to each and everyone. This place is unique. For the first time in my life, since mobile internet services started, this place is the first one where I got silence from them. There is no signal, there is no connectivity. The connectivity is only to nature and God and nothing else. Not to mundane worldly people. This is unique actually. I'm not being touched by anyone. Whatever I'm getting is internet here in this hall only, and that I answer about 15, 20, 25 emails every day, which are necessary mails. I answer here only while taking my lunch or my breakfast. That is all. But I am totally very much happy that for 4 or 5 days, 6 days in this technical age, we are away from that. And it is because of that reason that I could sleep for about 4 hours and take out my all fatigue today. But nobody knocking on my door, nobody knows where I am staying. Only Pragnaben and Nepali and Parag, they know that where I am staying. I am doing Agyatwas here. So you rarely get such opportunities. A person like me rarely gets such opportunities. In India, we are exposed to millions of people, thousands of people. If I go to camp, Kalicharanji has accompanied me to all the youth camps in India. We organize more than 200 youth camps in India everywhere, various places, various small districts, small villages also we have been there, and we have organized camps over there. You won't imagine, there is a place known as Dungarwada in Gujarat, near Modasa, and my first camp was in Modasa, and the youth camp, and that was long back in 1993. My first camp in USA was in Pennsylvania, in the Harrisburg University. That was in 2002. A journey of 14 years, an immense journey of 14 years. I am now transferring my privilege to the next generation. Next generation doesn't mean my son. Next generation means lot of people are ready to take over. From next year, I may not be able to come to various camps. I may not be able to come to various functions. I may be engaged in many other responsibilities from next year. But this is my last engagement in USA. This one, New Jersey, Pran Pratishtha. So I'm just telling you that the next generation has to take over and learn from what we have done. They have to learn from what mistakes we have done. They have to learn from what good we have done. And they have to always remember they are instruments of Param Pujya Gurudev. As I remembered, you are instrument of Param Pujya Gurudev. Never be in ego of doing something like Mahamandleshwar or Sant or Santo and with all these things. So you are sent only because of Gurudev, a big saint like Gurudev. If he would have not been here, we would have not been able to get that respect and love. So it is all because of our Gurudev and Mataji that we are here and we are able to shower love and blessings of him on you. It is not our blessing, it is his blessing we are showering on you. So always believe that this is all because of him that we are getting this respect today. You see, in 1987, there was a very big campaign of Rashtriya Ekta Sammelan, National Integration Seminars all over the country, India. And there were a lot of malas were put on the people, and they were all saying to Gurudev, Gurudev, you should come with us, you should come with us. आपको हमारे साथ चलना चाहिए. इस समय कितना सम्मान हो रहा है, कितना रिस्पेक्ट हो रहा है, और अगर आप चलेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. तो गुरुदेव ने कहा, बेटा आई एम जस्ट क्लोजिंग माई चैप्टर, आई एम जस्ट फिनिशिंग एट द फिनिशिंग स्टेज. After 3 years, Gurudev took Mahasamadhi. In 1985, he had hinted that he will be living only for next 5 years. And in 5 years, what work he will do, he had elaborated everything. Because I have been with him for last 12 years in such a way that I know exactly what he has written, what he has spoken. Unfortunately, videos were not there, videos were not permitted. Video camera came to us from England, and I tried to record many times Gurudev, but it was all the time blank and blank and blank. It was not because of technology, because Gurudev didn't want it. That's why it was not possible. Only once he permitted, so I recorded it. Only that particular clip is available. I recorded his lectures because there was no technician permitted. So I was the only technician, I was the only doctor, I was the only helper, I was the only person during his Sukshmikant sadhana. So what happened actually, in 1987 when this Rashtriya Ekta Sammelan took place, there were a lot of people, about 10-15 very good personalities. They came to Shanti Kunj and they said, Gurudev, इतना सम्मान, इतनी माला गले में पहनाई कि हम निकालते और लोग पहना देते. आपको चलना चाहिए, आप चलेंगे तो लोग बहुत आपका सम्मान करेंगे. गुरुदेव ने कहा बेटा मैंने तो ज़िंदगी भर सम्मान अपना अर्जित किया, लोग मुझे अभी भी प्यार करते हैं, पर तुमको ऐसा तो नहीं लगता कि ये माला तुम्हारे गले में पहनाई गई है? गुरुदेव माला तो हमको ही पहनाई थी। अरे नहीं बेटा, वो मेरी वजह से तुम्हें पहनाई गई है, अगर मैं नहीं होऊंगा तो तुम्हें माला नहीं पहनाई, कोई नहीं पहनाएगा। दिस इज ट्रू। It is because of Thakur that Vivekananda exists. It is because of Gurudev we exist. And if we remember this devotion, consecration, surrender, all the time this feeling, then everything is going to be very well placed. I am very happy, more than happy today, and very lighter also. After a deep slumber of 4 hours, I am very happy today that my work is being taken care of now by the new generation of Bhavesh, of Parag, of Nepali, and all these youngsters have taken over, and I think they are going to run the youth camps all over USA now, and they will be looking after the welfare of the new generations coming. I am available. Whenever you wish, like I am available to give you guidelines on internet, on you can have conferencing, video conferencing, you can have net conferencing. I am always available. I'll be able to deliver whatever you want. But let me do some important work for next 15 years. These 15 years I have been given some task by Gurudev which I am supposed to do. So that work I will do. I will devote some time to travel area of country. I will give a maximum time right now to Himalayas. If Himalaya is surviving, then everything is surviving. If Himalaya goes away, everything goes away. So Himalayas and Ganga, I'm trying to devote my next 5 years for that. Then next 5 years will travel belt, and the various rivers we want to make clean in the country. We want to bring real spirituality in the country, in India. If India is in dark and West is in light, what is the sense of it? India has to be awakened very fast. So I need to create a force of about more than me and Kali Charanji, we often talk to each other that the youngsters of India, they have got immense potential. You won't believe 650 million youngsters. They are full of energy, full of unabounding energy. They have an eternal fountain of youth. If they are given right direction, we can do a lot. And I am going to give directions to my youth, like youth camps over here. I am going to give youth camps over there. And in India, I have to travel to the nook and corner of the country and see how Yug Nirman can start from India in a much better way. Next 10-12 years are going to be very, very crucial for humanity. Sun is angry. There is going to be a lot of critical stages in the life of each and everyone, but we are there. Gurudev says, I am there. Mataji says, I am there. So these two powers, grace and love and affection and sadhana shakti, has to be disseminated to the whole world through India. So that work has to be done by me. So don't get disappointed. Dr. Sir will not be able to come now here onwards. I am sorry for the absence of Gigi and Chinmay. What happened on 16, 17, 18 June, such an episode happened that in 10 minutes time, 40,000 people were swept away by the Ganges. 3 tributaries of the Ganges. It is all a well-planned strategy of Mahakal. That you are creating buildings in my lap. You are creating 5-storied, 6-storied, 7-storied houses, luxurious houses, air-conditioned buildings in Badrinath. Why do you need Badrinath air conditioning? But, oh, you know, I am living in AC room, 9,000 rupees per month, per day I am giving it. So I am living there. Status symbol. People started spoiling the culture of the Tirth. Ultimately, they got punishment. So it was a punishment by Mahakal to each and everyone. It was our mistake, and this mistake has been, the cost has been paid by ordinary citizen, pilgrims, and many people. All innocents are also killed when there is a mass punishment by the Mahakal. So this has happened. Gigi is looking after the rehabilitation work. We are providing to 200 villages of the Uttarakhand their houses, 20 houses in each village, small villages, there are small villages, in very remote areas, and we are providing all facilities, 4 rooms, 2 rooms, with toilet, with kitchen, and with the room for animals in the back. We are providing these things, and each house will cost us about 200,000 rupees. So we are providing these things, and Gigi is looking after them. Gigi is I actually what I do is I ask Gigi to spend, and she spends by signing the check. So she's signing the check there. She's looking after the whole rehabilitation work, and because of her affection and love and everything, she's able to bind everybody, all the disaster management team. Chinmay is relief commissioner right now in Uttarakhand, and he is in touch with each and every district magistrate, commissioners, collectors, all those people. So he is looking after all those things. I am very glad that he has taken over that responsibility very seriously at very young age. And when I came to USA, I was 90. I was 40 in 1990. I was 40 years old. He is 36, 7-year-old, and he has taken the responsibility very sincerely. I hope that he will be able to make it. Many people ask me why he didn't come, why he didn't go. You promise. I know, but there are two responsibilities. National Accreditation Committee of the universities is coming to us in next 3 months. He is preparing all the documents for that, and this accreditation is very important for our existence of our university, for the dissemination of our university. And one more important order has been passed recently by Government of India, that our university can open centers anywhere in the world now, anywhere in the world. So he has got, similar to me, he has got a good team of youngsters. Saurabh, you know Saurabh, who was in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania? He is his right hand. Ankur and Manjari, they are his left hand. And there are so many youngsters surrounding him that they all call him Bhaiya. And Bhaiya and his team, they are looking after the various welfare activities of the university. I am very much lighter as far as university is concerned. So I am concentrating more on the activities of Shanti Kunj, training in the Shanti Kunj, training in the country and various areas. So I think this is the one reason that he could not come. If this tragedy would have not taken place, I had made him agree to come from 31st to 6th. He was to leave on 5th morning, and for 5 days he would have been here. He would have enjoyed his company. I love his company, and he's just like my friend. So when I love his company, you would have definitely loved like him anything. But he is not there, and he will definitely come in future. He will visit each and every center, as Jayant Bhai has told. He will visit all those centers, and he will look after these things. Besides Chinmay, there are about more than 50 youths we are getting ready to travel to USA. And they will come and they will enlighten you like anything. They will be the mirror image of mine, there will be mirror image of Mataji and Gurudev and Gigi. And the youths means young boys and girls both, I am going to send here. And they will be touring you, they will be telling you about their experiences with Gurudev and Mataji. And with me. Many of them, they have not seen Gurudev Mataji. Ankur and Manjari, they have not seen Gurudev Mataji. They have seen me and Gigi only. So there will be few who have lived with me, and they will be able to share with you. So I hope that the future is going to be definitely very, very bright for Gayatri Parivar. All of us should look forward towards that. I am very much embarrassed by the introduction given of me and my whole family. You see, this is not the blood relation with Gurudev or Mataji that the Gigi has earned that respect. Gigi has earned the respect because of her penance, hard penance which she has done. And because of that penance, that tapasya which she did, she does every day, I think that respect she has earned. So she has got little bit incapabilities, like joints are problematic. You know everything. She is around 60, I am 63. I have got limited period of time, about 17, 18 or 20 years. I know many people know about that this particular 20-year period is very crucial for the whole humanity. 1926, the eternal lamp was lighted, Akhand Deepak. 2026 will be the 100th of the Akhand Deepak's centenary. Vandaniya Mataji was born in 1926. Vandaniya Mataji's centenary will be celebrated. So these are few important responsibilities which we are going to do, which we are going to perform, and all of you are just very loving persons, very loving disciples of Gurudev Mataji, very close to my heart. I hope that in 4 days we will be able to share with you all the experiences which we had with Gurudev. May I have the hands being raised of those who have been with me for last 2 days? All those youth, you can see them, they are here. From USA and Canada, about 53 youngsters were present with them, and they shared with me each and everything. They shared with me their problems, and I shared with them my experiences. And I had tried to teach them, I had tried to give them my love like a father, like a guru, like a mother, and I hope that in 2 days time they have learnt a lot. Similarly, in next 4 days, group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 5. I am not saying about group 4. Group 4 is already in touch with me. It is touched but to me by heart. Group 5 means the senior adults. All of them are going to get immense love and affection of Shanti Kunj, Gayatri Tirth, Param Pujya Gurudev, Lal Mashal, the burning torch of knowledge, and Prakhar Pragya Swayam Shuddha. Thank you very much.
Thank you.